everyone, this is Nehal Nagre here, and today we are going to discuss about the specific gravity, which is the property of the fluid. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for the more updates. There are many factors that determine if an object will sink or float in water. One of these factors is what we call the specific gravity. When the object floats, the specific gravity tells you the fraction of object that will be below the water while it's floating. Now we will take one example of the wooden cube. Assume one wooden cube which is submerged in water. Let's say its specific gravity is 0.1. It means that it will submerge 10% into the water. Again, if we assume the specific gravity of this wooden cube 0.8, then it means that it will submerge 80% into the water. Now, the specific gravity tells us that whether the object will sink or float in our reference substance. Generally, we take the reference substance as the water, and we can determine whether the object will sink or float depending upon the value of the specific gravity. Specific gravity is a dimensionless quantity and it is denoted by the S. Specific gravity is also called as the relative density. The specific gravity of an object is the ratio between the density of an object to a density of a reference liquid. Usually our reference liquid is water and the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube at 4 degrees Celsius. We know that the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. It means that the mercury is 13.6 times heavier than the water. Now we will calculate the specific gravity. For calculating the specific gravity, you can choose any of weight density and density. By using this formula, you can calculate the specific gravity of the liquid. Again, if you want to calculate the specific gravity for gases, simply divide the weight density of gas by the weight density of air, or density of gas by the density of air. So you will get the value for specific gravity for gases. If you have to calculate the weight density of a liquid, then multiply the specific gravity with the weight density of water and you will get the value for weight density of a liquid. In the similar manner, you can calculate the density of a liquid. So this is enough for today, guys. We will meet in the next lecture. Till that, have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure you subscribe for more. Thank you so much.